Welcome everyone. In this video I will show how you can fix camera not working or camera error fix on Smart 9. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.